Choosing a web host isn't always straightforward, especially when you're stuck between two big names like DreamHost and Hostinger. Now, both of these companies have built a strong reputation, offer great features, and promise excellent performance. But the real question is, which one is actually right for you? That's what we're here to find out today. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about these two hosting providers. We'll talk about pricing, features, ease of use, performance, and support, giving you a clear side-by-side comparison. So by the time we're done, you'll have a much better idea of which host fits your needs. And if you decide to sign up, be sure to click the links down below in the description for exclusive discounts on both DreamHost and Hostinger. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and start with Hostinger. Now, if there's one thing that they're known for, it's being incredibly affordable while still offering solid performance and features. Hostinger has grown massively over the last few years, mainly because it makes building and managing a website really simple, even for people who have never done it before. What features does Hostinger offer? Hostinger may be affordable, but that doesn't mean that they skimp on features. One thing that stands out about Hostinger is their AI website builder. If you're someone who doesn't know much about web design, this tool can help you create a professional looking website with minimal effort. For those planning to use WordPress, Hostinger provides managed WordPress hosting, which means that they handle some of the technical stuff for you. They also offer light speed caching, which helps make your site load faster by optimizing how content is delivered to visitors. Beyond that, Hostinger includes free weekly or daily backups depending on the plan that you choose. Hostinger also offers free website migration, making it incredibly easy to move your website from another host without paying extra fees. And if security is a concern, Hostinger also includes DDoS protection, automatic security updates, and free SSL certifications on all plans. Is Hostinger easy to use? One of Hostinger's biggest strengths is how simple they make everything. Their custom dashboard is super easy to navigate, even for beginners. Installing WordPress takes just one click, and managing your website, domain, and email is all handled in one place. How well does Hostinger perform? Now, even though Hostinger is one of the cheaper options, it still delivers solid performance. Their hosting runs on NVMe SSD storage, which is much faster than traditional hard drives. They also have data centers all over the world, which helps your website load quickly no matter where your visitors are coming from. Hostinger also comes with 99.9% uptime guarantee, meaning that you're likely to face unexpected downtime. Customer support. Hostinger's support is available 24/7 via live chat, and response times are usually pretty fast. They don't offer phone support, but their chat support team is very responsive and knowledgeable. If you're someone who likes to troubleshoot problems yourself, Hostinger also has a huge knowledge base with tutorials, step-by-step guides, and troubleshooting tips for common issues. Now, how much does Hostinger cost? Hostinger's pricing is one of the biggest reasons why so many people choose it, including myself. Now, if you go ahead and click the link down below in the description, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and see their pricing. Their premium plan starts at just $2.99 per month if you sign up for 4 years. That's incredibly low for what you're getting. The business plan, which gives you more storage and daily backups, costs just $3.99 per month on the same 4-year plan. And if you need more power, there's the cloud startup plan at $7.99 per month, designed for websites that get more traffic or just need better performance. Now, there's a catch with these low prices. After your initial term is over, the renewal price jumps up quite a bit. So while it's a great deal up front, it's something to keep in mind for the long run. Hostinger also frequently runs flash sales and seasonal discounts. So if you're not in a rush, it might be worth waiting for an even better deal. First thing you're going to do is click the link down below in the description. And from here, you can go ahead and click on Claim Deal. As you can see, you can go ahead and get 3 months free currently at the time of recording. So go ahead and click on Claim Deal, and then you just need to choose your plan. Now, if this is your very first website and you don't have ideas for making the biggest, most resource intensive website, then the premium plan is going to be more than enough and still have tons of performance. Again, it's going to be $2.99 per month for a 48-month term, and you're going to get 3 months free with that. And then afterwards, it's going to renew at $7.99 per month, which is still pretty reasonable. So click on Choose Plan. Now, from here, what you're going to want to do is you can go ahead and select your period. You know, we've already talked about how you're going to get the most savings with the longer period, but let's say you maybe just want to commit to 1 year. So you can see you're still going to get the $2.99 per month, which is a great deal, and you're only looking at $35.88. Now, we can get that price down even more if we come here to coupon code and we type in my first website and we go ahead, click apply, and then you can see that's going to bring that down to $2.69 per month. So for $32.29, you're going to have a full year of hosting, which is an incredible deal. Again, use the link down in the description and use code code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. Now, let's go ahead and move on to DreamHost, a company that's been around for over 2 decades. Now, unlike Hostinger, which focuses on being super affordable, DreamHost prioritizes reliability, stability, and specialized WordPress hosting. This makes them especially popular among more experienced website creators, bloggers, and small businesses who need dependable hosting with advanced features tailored specifically to WordPress. DreamHost is one of the very few hosting providers officially recommended by WordPress.org, which means that they meet WordPress's stringent quality, reliability, and performance standards. Now, one standout advantage of DreamHost is its 97-day money-back guarantee, significantly longer than the industry standard 30-day refund policy like we see with Hostinger. Features that set DreamHost apart. So DreamHost offers an AI-powered website builder known as Liftoff. This tool lets you quickly create professional, attractive websites without needing any coding skills. It utilizes advanced AI technology to automatically generate layouts, choose designs, and even recommend content based on your site's purpose and industry. Built-in analytics and security. Unlike some hosting providers that require you to install third-party analytics, DreamHost includes built-in traffic analytics directly within the dashboard. Additionally, DreamHost includes free SSL certificates, which encrypt data and keep your visitors' information safe, making your site more trustworthy to both users and search engines. They also provide regular security monitoring and protection against DDoS attacks. Now, a DDoS attack, DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service, is when hackers flood a website with so much fake traffic that it slows down or completely crashes, making it inaccessible to real visitors. DreamHost protects against these attacks by detecting unusual traffic patterns and blocking harmful requests before they can cause damage. Enhanced WordPress features. DreamHost is heavily invested in making WordPress hosting as smooth and seamless as possible. They offer features like automatic WordPress installation, so you can easily set up WordPress on your site with just a few clicks. Automatic daily backups included on their DreamPress plan, ensuring that you never lose important data or changes. One-click staging sites, perfect for safely testing new themes, plugins, or website updates without impacting your live website. Priority WordPress support. DreamHost offers specialized 24/7 support for WordPress-related issues on the DreamPress plan, provided by genuine WordPress experts. High-performance infrastructure. DreamHost uses advanced technologies like SSD storage and the NGINX web server to make websites load faster and handle more visitors at once. NGINX, pronounced Nginx. And this is a special type of web server designed to efficiently handle multiple visitors at the same time. So imagine a restaurant with one slow waiter versus a restaurant with multiple fast waiters. Nginx is like having extra fast waiters who can take orders and serve food quickly, making sure that all customers, in this example your website visitors, get what they need without waiting too long. Additionally, DreamHost integrates a powerful content delivery network, or CDN, called Bunny CDN. So a CDN works like a network of delivery trucks stationed in different parts of the world. Instead of making every visitor download your website's data from one location, which can be slow if they're far away, a CDN stores copies of your site in different global locations. This dramatically reduces loading times for international visitors, ensuring a fast experience no matter where they are. Ease of use. DreamHost's custom control panel is intuitive and very user-friendly. While they don't use the popular cPanel interface, their own system provides straightforward navigation and easy management of your hosting, domains, and email. Performance and reliability. DreamHost boasts a remarkable 100% uptime guarantee, something that very few hosting providers offer. Their infrastructure includes multiple data centers with redundant power and connectivity. The use of SSD storage across all plans significantly enhances website speed, performance, and reliability. Customer support. DreamHost offers several support channels, including a ticket system, email, and live chat. However, their live chat availability is somewhat limited. It's only available during extended business hours, unless you're on their DreamPress plan, where you can get 24/7 access to chat support. Now, despite this limitation, DreamHost's support team is highly knowledgeable and responsive. How much does DreamHost cost? So DreamHost pricing is refreshingly straightforward compared to some other hosting providers. So taking a look at their plans, they have their shared starter plan, and this starts at $295 per month if you commit to a longer term. Now, this plan includes hosting for one website, unlimited traffic, SSD storage, and free SSL certificate, and even a WordPress installer. The DreamPress plan starts at $1695 when you commit to a longer term, and this is specifically optimized for WordPress. This plan caters to sites sites expecting higher traffic and includes advanced features such as daily backups, 30 gigabytes of SSD storage, and priority support from WordPress experts. Then there's their VPS hosting. So if your needs go beyond basic hosting, DreamHost VPS plans start at $13.75 per month when you commit to at least a year term. And these plans offer more flexibility, better resource management, enhanced performance, and the ability to host multiple websites. Final verdict, which one's right for you? If you're on a budget and you need a host that's easy to use, Hostinger is the way to go. Now, on the other hand, if you're looking for a hosting provider with better WordPress performance and a longer refund period, DreamHost is a solid pick. Which one sounds better to you? Go ahead and let us know down in the comments. And if you want to get started with either Hostinger or DreamHost, you'll find links for them down in the description below. And these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.